Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Okanesa Water Trust for the workshop on building healthy habits. So, you all had a good sleep and got up with a sound sleep and with a clear mind. People can sleep for nearly 8 hours or 10 hours, but unless you have a sound sleep, there's no use. So, first thing is have a sound sleep and get up fresh. Okay, let's begin our topic building healthy habits. Let's understand what is habit. First, we should know what is habit. Then we'll know how to build healthy habits. Okay. So, what comes to your mind? Okay. Uh, this slide I'll skip because this is usually when we conduct workshop uh, in the regular course. Since it is online, we'll skip the slide. So, who creates the habit? We are the creators of habit. Whatever we do routinely and regularly is a habit. For example, getting up in the morning, 6 a.m. probably is a habit. Some may get up at 7, some may be at 8, but still is a habit. And praying God as soon as we get up with Karagre Vasute Lakshmi, Karamadye Saraswati, Karamule Sthide Gauri, Prabhate Karadarshanam. We do with the folded hand and then we write, then close our eyes for a few seconds. How many of you do this? Yes, that's again a habit. Brushing teeth and having face wash before having tea, coffee. That's a habit. And some people will have tea or coffee even before brushing the teeth. Yes, that's a habit. So now we know what are the habits. Now we'll go to building healthy habits. Taking bath every day is a habit. Having breakfast itself is a habit. Some may not have breakfast, and that too is a habit. Having breakfast at the same time is a habit. Going to our workplace, whether it is school, college, or to our workplace in time, that's a habit. Going to workplace late every day, don't you think it's a habit? Yes, of course, that's a habit. Drinking coffee, tea, cool drinks is a habit. Drinking alcohol, smoking is also a habit. So let's think about few more. Reading is a habit. Singing or dancing, painting, whatever you do, that is a habit. Gardening is a habit. Keeping items neat and tidy and at the same place is a habit. You can list out as many as you wish. They are all habits. Whatever we do, as I said, routinely is a habit. But we need to decide what is good and healthy habits. So let's think about and list probably what are we consider is good and healthy habit. Okay, let's begin. You will list out. Okay, getting up early in the morning. That's a good habit. You all agree. Drinking lemon juice in the morning is a habit. Good habit. Exercise in the morning is a good habit. Anything else? Something else comes up. Okay, let's decide. Now, let's move on and after listing out what all we need to build as a healthy habit, now we move on to how to build healthy habits. Okay, the morning hours are supposed to be the best time to start the new habits. Okay, and secondly, you should always start with simpler and whatever that could be accomplished easily, that you start. For example, getting up in the morning is a easy thing. 6 o'clock means 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock means 7 o'clock. You fix up the time and get up at that hour. Then have a short walk in the morning. It is very easy to do that. Okay, start with minimum, maybe one or two like exercise in the morning, followed by having lemon juice or tea, whatever you feel like. You can list out 2 or 3 habits in the beginning and follow rigorously for a week or 10 days so that you get used to it. The new habit with existing, such as enjoy the toothpaste mint, smell or for a minute. Okay, you will enjoy a lot of this. Toothpaste gives a good smell. Probably while brushing teeth, you can stand on one leg just to make ourselves how to build new habits. I'm telling you, you can bring new habits like this. Stand on one leg while brushing the teeth. Yes, do for about a couple of days, and after that, do meditation for a while till it becomes a routinely habit. Okay, as we move on, won't you get accomplished with whatever simpler exercise or habit which you want to build? Once you are ready with that, you get yourself motivated. Once you start accomplishing the habit what you want to build, then it becomes a motivational thing. Then you can start stacking up more, 2 more or 3 more every week. Keep on adding and continue to do with earlier exercise also. And the most important thing is when once you go for a walk, you should enjoy walking. Whatever you do, you should enjoy doing that. Unless you enjoy this, you cannot build your habit whatever you want to build. Okay, now we have discussed about building new habits. What do you do with old habits? You all know old habits die hard, doesn't go so easily. But still, what you have to do? List out the habits you wish to change. That is number one. First, you have to list out. Once you list out, then one by one, among that, the simpler thing what you can overcome, you have to take it. Okay? After listing out, you prioritize which one you want to take up first and which one next, and which one the hardest one you keep it for the last. And the most important thing, you have to make up your mind to change. Otherwise, it will not happen. You have to take a pledge or both, whatever you call. And this is a voluntary step, voluntary pledge, and you need to make up your mind and decide yourself that you are going to change at any cost. That is a minimum requirement for this. At this occurrence of habit, you wish to quit, start doing a different type of job. For example, routinely, if you are doing something which you want to change, at that particular time, when your mind goes back to the habit of the original activity, but which you do not want to do, what you need to do? Change your mindset, take up a different task, maybe cooking, maybe gardening, maybe something else, maybe singing, whatever it is. Take up totally different, of course, which is again in good taste. And concentrate on whatever you do, whether you are singing, whether you are doing cooking. When you're doing cooking, you should see that you should enjoy that work and you should do with a lot of focus. Have to, you should understand once you start cooking, what is the end result, what you need, what you wish to, how the food you wish to have. Keep that in mind and then start cooking. Okay, we are going to the next slide. Okay. Once you start doing that, you know you can overcome lot of, get rid of your old habits and get into new habits which you wish to build. Okay. Many people may lose their concentration or sometimes many people they may leave continuing with the creating new habits or quitting the old habits. Why? The people give up only because they always tend to look ahead how far they need to go. But instead of that, if you just look back how far you have come, and that's a great motivation that you should do. Otherwise, you get demotivated. If you started thinking, oh my God, I have to do so many, I have to go so far. But what happens? You get demotivated. Don't do that. Look back and see how far you have come, how many habits you have changed, and how many healthy habits you have built. That gives a motivational thing for your mind to take up new agenda. Life will change without permission. You all know that. It's our attitude that will determine the right. You agree? Shall I repeat? Life will change without our permission. It's our attitude that will determine the right, how we want to go, where we want to go. Am I right? Yes. And luck is not in your hands. You agree? Luck will it be in your hand? No. But the decision is in our hand. Please understand this very important statement. Luck is not in our hands, but the decision is. Your decision can bring luck. So trust yourself and decide what you need to do. People don't decide their future. They decide their habits, and their habit decide their future. You agree? Yes, this is what happens. We should mind it, and this you should overcome. Let's go to the next slide. Okay, taking a little more time for opening the slide. Okay, it's ready. Now I'll read out a statement. You will all love it. The runner-up says, what he says? The runner-up is possible, but it's difficult. But the winner says, it's difficult, but it is possible. That is the attitude. Attitude matters. Have a winning attitude and go ahead, build your own healthy habits as you wish. Hope you all understood, you all agree with me in how to build the healthy habits. So, with this, I wish you all the best. Build your own list of healthy habits and cultivate. Live all the habits which you want to pick. Enjoy your life. Proceed and all the best wishes to you. Thank you. Bye bye.